This is a white tone preset. The preset really looks good on outdoor shots with low lighting. Okay, let's start. Open the Lightroom mobile app. Select an image to edit. Go to the Lights panel. Set exposure to 0.39. Contrast 20. Highlights -34. Shadows 28. Whites -63. Blacks -21. Click on the Colors panel. Adjust temp to 20. Tint -28. Vibrance -16. Saturation 10. Select the red swatch, set hue 0. Saturation 60. Luminance -49. Select orange swatch. Hue -13. Saturation 4. Luminance 16. Select yellow swatch. Hue -68. Saturation -50. Luminance 100. Select green swatch. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Luminance 100. Select aqua swatch. Hue 0. Saturation -100. Luminance 100. Select blue swatch. Hue 0. Saturation -100. Luminance 100. Select purple swatch. Hue -13. Saturation 52. Luminance 45. Select the magenta swatch. Hue 82. Saturation 97. Luminance -44. Now go to Effects panel. Set clarity to 14. Dehaze 17. Select split tone on the upper right corner. Hue 184. Saturation 18. Balance -67. Select Details panel. Adjust sharpening to 33. Radius 0.8. Detail 22. Masking 22. Noise reduction 8. Detail, 24. Contrast, 8. Color noise reduction, 42. You can now copy the settings. Check tools and geometry. Then, apply it to your images. Just click on Paste Setting. Then you're done. Subscribe to the Olden Post channel and press the bell icon to watch our latest videos.